Hi guys, it's your girl Yammy. And can you tell where I'm at? Of course you can. It's a Thursday night. I'm here at Vineland Premium Outlets, going into the Disney Character Warehouse store and going to see what they have. Alright, so the dog stuff, they still have the Minnie Mouse ears, the bows, collars. It looks like mediums. Might be the smallest I'm seeing in the collars. There are the 4-foot lead and the 6-foot lead and another 4-foot lead. And spare jerseys, $12.99. Okay, here's this thing for $12.99. It's Minnie's cat. It's a 9-piece. Bed folds out. And see, it opens up. That is cute. And it's on wheels. And there's the kitty. Suitcases still here for $79.99. These bags are new. I didn't see them last time we were here. I've seen them before, but not here last time. $12.99. Alright, the masks. Most of them are mediums or smalls. So these look like they're all mediums. Mickey's are mediums. Oh, there are some larges. Star Wars in large. Yeah, and medium. This Minnie small and medium. These are all just smalls. There you can tell. A lot of larges here. And Baby Yoda. Christmas ones, it looks like they've got small, medium. Oh, and you got a large there. Halloween, I'm still seeing larges, but most of them are mediums or small. Oh, there's even an extra large one. Oh. $12.99. $5.99. Remote control car. $12.99. Car play set, figurine set, I guess you could say, were $10. Oh, that's right. Spider-Man was $7.99. Oh, you got Spider-Man gloves. These are new. $7.50. Coco. $8.99. Coco guitars are $19.99. Now, that's going to be hard to ship because it is such a big item. Okay, the Pirates play set for 20 bucks. This is all that comes in it. So you know. Swords are $1.99, 99 cents, and $7.99 for the play set. Oh, look at a rocket pop. This is new. $8.99. This was $10 and $7.50 for those gloves. Oh, and Black Panther gloves, $7.50 also. No. Okay. Sorry, my bad. Black Panthers, $9.99. The bow and arrows Avenger set's still here. Should be still $6.99, yes. See that? The gloves. Remember, $9.99. Oh, what's over here? Oh, look it. We got a Woody. How much is Woody? $9.99. And then there's this Woody up here. So we got two different Woodies. We have the Woody in the box for $9.99, and then you have Woody out of the box for $12.99. Let's see. Can you see the difference at all? Except for $12.99 and $9.99? No. Animator dolls are still here. We do have the mermaid. We have Rapunzel. Who else we got here? We got Rapunzel here. The mermaid. Oh, and it looks like Tinkerbell. Alright. The Jasmine animated doll set's $9.99. And this one is the little play set. See, the little people, that's what the difference is. You got the play set here, which is $9.99. And you have Jasmine for $9.99. Alright, I'm just gonna swing past here. Most of the clothes are the same as my last video, so there's not much difference. Look at the Minnie Mouse shoes. All they have are 2 3s for $12.99, but they're so cute. And we still have the boots for $12.99 too. They still have Belle, the animator, Tinkerbell, and Belle. So that's pretty much it. Playset or Vampirina is still $5.99. Fancy Nancy's $7.99. And the playsets are $12.99. Alright, ink and paint glasses are here. The set of 4 for $12.99. Ink pens are $12.99. The empty journal books here are $7.99. You got the ink and paint novelty pen for $5. There are some new picture frames for $7.99. And then they have the big ones for $12.99 still. They do have sets of the bowls in. They're $19.99 a piece, and it's a set of 4. The Sorcerer Mickey in a can for $5.99 is still here, where you can get any one of those color Mickeys inside of it. Oh, and there's a little sipper cup up there for $4.99. $9.99 for the picture frame for the princess, and Minnie here is $7.99. And they have the big giant bowls in here for $19.99. They're big, they're heavy, and they're gonna be hard to ship, I can tell you that. And then they've got the little platter here for $9.99. The quote-unquote toothpick holder set, they're magnetic, is here for $9.99. All they have left on the Haunted Mansion is the satchel here. I don't know if it's called a satchel or if it's called a tote. No, it's not a tote. The other one's a tote. Maybe a hobo bag. But that's the only one they have left for $135. Oh, these are new in for $15. Now, they're not Loungefly, but they are cute. Alright, they do have the Pixar credit card holders. Those are $6.99. The Haunted Mansion, $6.99. And, ooh, the Mickey bar for $6.99. There's the Dole Whip. Oh, now I'm getting hungry. Toy Story, Pixar.
Somebody mislabeled that one, but I'm going to get it.
Pixar's $31.99. Dole Whip. The Dole Whip is $25. The small Dole Whip is, yeah, $7.99. The Small World little bag is $4.99. We've got Zero here for $25. Oh, this backpack, it's Pandora backpack. $19.99. The Stormtrooper, there is like one of these here for $30. $5.99 picture frame. These magnets are anywhere from $3.99. They're roughly around $3.99 all of them, just so you know. Yeah, looks like they're all $3.99 except for the doggy picture frame and those Mickeys. Okay, we have a $7.99 new bottle, $7.99 ceramic, and $7.99. We have $12.99 for this water bottle. Taste your way around the world, $2.99. That's not a bad deal. Oh, and then we have $7.99 and $9.99 and $5.99 for the piggy. Oh, they got more of these headbands in. Oh, plus they have some Haunted Mansion headbands for $7.99. Small world headbands. This is from Judy Rabbit from Zootopia. But then we also have the pig. We have Sully, the unicorn, and look at down here we have Stitch. Oh, look at, they got Mike down here too. But they've got Simba and yeah, just Simba. They had a Pooh, but I think Pooh's gone. These buttons are 99 cents. Antenna toppers are $3.99. New water bottle here, $7.99. $7.99. Ooh, this is all broke up. $7.99. There's still just one Minnie Mouse left. I believe she was $84. Yes, $84. Here's a mini cup. I think this is cute. $2.99. You know, there's not many left. I only see one of these shirts for $12.99, and it's a large. Oh, the more I look, the more I'm finding. $12.99. Let me see what else I can find here. Oh, that's pretty much it, huh? Join the first order, Mondo. This one is cute too. Only goes up to a 2X, I think. So I'm finding it. But yeah, that one is cute too. Oh, it's $12.99. $12.99. They got plenty of the Christmas hats from last year, not this year, but last year. $4.99. This year's bag, $7.99. Ink and paint. This is the only ornament left. And it's the penguins from Mary Poppins. $4.99. And the aprons are here. These are children's aprons for $9.99. Cheshire Cat is $7.99. The denim Mickey and Minnie, $9.99. Umbrellas, $14.99. And it looks like, I don't see the snack, but they've got the Tiki Bird and they've got Mickey and Minnie. And this guy here from Onward is $4.99. I seen tonight. Some new stuff, but I didn't show you everything because I want you to watch my last video I did here from Monday. Yeah, Monday I think it was that we did this. We were here Monday. So watch that video from Monday because I really went into details on children's clothing. I didn't feature any clothing tonight because it's late and it was busy. So I tried to do what I can. You got some pictures, but now that this video is out, shopping is open. That means you can email me now at yammiesadventures@gmail.com with your order of what you might want from when I go shopping next week. I'm going to leave the ordering open for about 2 weeks, but give me your emails as soon as possible. I can start getting stuff now, and then I have the next 2 weeks to try to find the rest of your stuff. So make sure you get that email out to me. I'm pretty sure a lot of you probably have it already set up, just waiting to hit send, right? Well, guess what? You can hit send now, and I will now take emails. So let's go shopping and let's have some fun. Bye. If you have any questions, just comment. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If I'm shopping for you, you gotta subscribe to me. That's the deal. Okay? My glasses are steaming up. Alright guys, bye.
Subscribe, like, and hit that bell. Ring.
And come back and see Yammy some more.
Yeah.